Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, November 12th. Well, for those of you attending Traders Expo, I'll be speaking on Tuesday and Wednesday. I hope our paths cross in Las Vegas. Well, NASDAQ, I was looking for movement to the upside. Didn't happen. I was expecting that stronger close. We had tech shares that were weak, fundamentals around the globe that I talked about in the advanced video that has caused some softness. The magnitude change here in that market for the NASDAQ, just to give you a feel for that, is $1,000 a contract. I do look for weakness on Monday, but for a bounce at its lows, in other words, a shadow on the bottom. Well, Russell, magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish levels in that market is, to give you an idea, what that represents is $2,750 a contract. Let's move on. And let's take a look at that U.S. dollar. And what we're going to see here is the U.S. dollar stayed strong. And that's what we're seeing across the board. Euro did get weaker. It's at a level where we should see buyers coming into the market. I'm looking for an unchanged type day on Monday unless we get some kind of new news that would cause further weakness. But weakness is what we saw in the Aussie dollar. Magnitude change in this market is $1,500 a contract. I'm not looking for a dramatic move to the downside. Again, I think we're approaching levels that buyers could re-enter this market. British pound, it's hard to find anything to be bullish about in this market. Magnitude change here in that market, $1,562.50. And again, I'm looking for further weakness, but a bounce. We're approaching levels that buyers should come back in that market. And also in the notes, we talked about this being bullish. My expectation was an inside type day. And we're here. I'm also not looking for dramatic follow through. A rally possibly, but look for a shadow on the highs. Gold falls out of bed. No buyers yet in this market. Be cautious at these current levels on the short side. This is where buyers could start coming back in that market. Crude oil, 60 was my objective. We're now below that. The next level would be 58. It'll be interesting to see how we behave on Monday. An unchanged type day would make sense. And in soybeans, it did firm up a bit, but I don't look for dramatic follow through on Monday. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again. And as always, take care.